Hi, and welcome to the video on how you can manage financial plans in Clarity. I am Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. After you create an idea and staff it, financial managers typically create a cost plan. They are responsible for budgeting, projecting cash flows, and determining how to budget ideas. Let's open the Ideas page in Clarity and select a specific idea. If you don't see the Financials module, ask your Clarity administrator to add it to the Ideas blueprint. Let's create a new cost plan. Let's enter relevant details such as name and ID. The management team often needs a breakdown of costs based on the individual resources working on the idea. Hence, we can select the resource attribute in the Grouping Attributes section. Let's create a cost plan. Since we have already allocated users to this idea and set the appropriate allocations, let's use the Populate from Allocations option to automatically populate the cost plan. This feature is extremely valuable to project and financial managers. They typically use many disparate tools and spend many hours poring over spreadsheets to create cost plans. You can see that within seconds we can see the total spend for this idea. Remember that you can manually edit the cost plan if you need to. When you are ready, you can submit this cost plan for approval. Because this is the only cost plan associated with the idea, it is automatically designated as the plan of record. However, if you had multiple cost plans for an idea, you will need to choose one of them as the plan of record. Many financial managers submit a plan only for the first month. They know that demand in their organization is dynamic. They plan to track the spend on the idea for the first month and then submit the budget for future months. The relevant stakeholders can approve the budget for this idea. Let's navigate to the Financials module and access the budget plan. You can approve the budget plan directly from this page. Let's review the budget details before approving the plan. You now have an approved budget for the investment. The team has started working on the idea and are submitting timesheets to record their work. A month passes by and you want to check the overall health of the idea. This will help you submit an accurate budget for the next couple of months. Since the team is working on an idea, they are submitting timesheets against an effort task associated with the idea. You can check with the Idea Manager to ensure that they have approved all the timesheets submitted by the team. You can then request the administrator to run jobs to update the financial status of the idea. You can learn more about these jobs by reviewing the Jobs Reference section of the Clarity documentation. Let's review the financial health of the idea 1 month after it started. Now you can copy this cost plan and create a cost plan for the next couple of months. The Scale By field defines the percentage by which you want to scale, increase, or decrease the dollar values in the copied plan. Let's set it to 5. Here is the new cost plan with 5% increase in values. Let's make this cost plan as a plan of record. Now you can send this plan for approval by merging the earlier cost plan. Merging this plan with the budget that has already been approved for the first 2 months allows you to create a final budget for the idea. I'm sure you now understand how you can use the Clarity Financials feature to keep track of the ideas in your organization. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.